everyone, this is Aisha from the blog JABASHI.com, and welcome back to my channel. I have gotten several people requesting for me to share some more of my green salad and homemade dressing recipes. So I'm keeping this salad very basic with two different type of lettuces and some avocado, some peanuts and sesame seeds, but I'm focusing more on the homemade salad dressing. I'm using some carrots, I'm using some ginger, I'm also using some sesame oil and some soy sauce. I know that this is going to be one of your favorite dressings to try. I make a big batch and I'll just store it in the fridge and then use it for the whole week. I'm also sharing a recipe for a green juice that will help you in the springtime. It's full of vitamins and minerals. It's also full of antioxidants, and it helps with hydrating your body and inflammation. And I'm using some zucchini in my juice. I'm also using some mint, so I'm excited for you guys to learn this new juice recipe as well as this green salad. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and let's get started. Okay, so I have already washed all my vegetables and I'm ready to cut them and get them ready for the salad. I'm starting out with some red leaf lettuce. I chop it into bite-sized pieces. I'm then going to start out with a 1 medium head green romaine lettuce, and then I'm going to chop that into bite-sized pieces as well. I'm also going to add some avocados. So I've used 2 medium avocados, pitted and thinly sliced. I'm also using some cucumbers. I've added 1 cucumber, and it adds up to, I believe, 1.5 cups of cucumbers, and I slice them and just add them into the salad. Once I'm done, I'm going to top it up with some roasted peanuts, and I'm also adding some sesame seeds to the salad. Okay, so we are starting out with the dressing now. I'm going to add some ginger to the dressing, probably a small piece, I would say 1.5 inch piece fresh ginger, peeled and coarsely chopped. I'm also adding some carrots. I've added 3 medium carrots. I peeled them and I coarsely chopped them as well. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, plus I'm going to add 1 extra tablespoon of the oil. And then I'm adding some rice wine vinegar. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. And I'm also going to use a juice of lime. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. And I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of raw honey. And you can use 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, but I try to eliminate soy sauce, so I'm using Minos. It's a natural soy sauce alternative. So you just blend everything together and your salad dressing is ready. You want the salad dressing to be very smooth and creamy. And now I'm just seasoning it with some sesame seed as well as some salt. Now to make the salad, you want to drizzle salad with the desired amount of dressing and serve. This is such a delicious salad dressing. I know that this is going to become one of your favorites as well. Okay, so I am starting out with washing all my vegetables and fruits before I start juicing them. I'm using some mint from my garden. I'm using some kale, some green apple. I'm using 1 zucchini, and I'm also using some celery. Now, I love adding zucchini to my juice. It has rich folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and antioxidants. And I like to juice the zucchini with the skin on. Zucchini is also very hydrating. So if I'm not using zucchinis, I like using cucumbers. So it's a choice of either or. And the best part of zucchini, it's great for your skin. Gives you that spring glow. The squash is packed with moisture and skin-friendly vitamins that help lift sagging areas and elevate puffiness, and it builds collagen and fights damage from free radicals. So zucchini is born for facials. So I'm not going to go into detail about how amazing it is to juice with mint, but mint is good for digestion, and it also has vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and some minerals like calcium, zinc, copper. And mint is also antiseptic and has a cleansing properties as well. All right, so some of you guys have asked me what type of juicer I use. I use Prevail, and I've had this juicer for the past 5 years now, and it's going very strong, and it's working very well for me. The link to the Prevail juicer will be on my bio. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are able to try this combo of the spring salad as well as the spring cleanse juice. It makes a great combination. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and turn on your notification. I will be back next week with a brand new video. And please make sure to stop by jabashi.com where you will find the printable recipe for this recipe.